Hello and welcome, Curious English UK. How to pronounce OUGH sounds, Part 3. Number 7 is the schwa, In the word thorough, the last 4 letters become like in the end of the word teacher, thorough, borough. Learn this model practice phrase to help you always remember how to pronounce this sound. The mother was thorough. The mother was thorough. Well done. There are 2 more pronunciations for OUGH. They're not common. Number 8, up, as in hiccup. Hiccup, hiccup. Number 9, OUGH, as in loch, loch. A word for a type of lake. This is a Scottish word, which is pronounced more like loch, loch. Well done. I hope you've enjoyed this series of videos for how to pronounce OUGH. Let me know and share what sounds you find difficult and what sounds you find easy.